Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today is Goddess Kuan Yin birthday, and I thought this is a perfect time to do a message from Goddess Kuan Yin for all of you. So, Goddess Kuan Yin is the goddess of compassion, mercy, and forgiveness. She also helps with spiritual growth and love. So, we have three options over here. Option number one is this lovely rose quartz crystal. Option number two is this lotus tea light candle. And option number three is this pink candle. So you can select any option that you are drawn towards, whatever element is calling on to you. You can go ahead with that. Each element represents an element of goddess Kuan Yin. This is called rose quartz, the crystal of love. Lotus, which is favorite of goddess Kuan Yin and represents wisdom, spiritual growth. Pink candle, again, pink represents the color of love, harmony as well. So, in case if you're confused that what option you should select, I will randomly assign the date of, okay. Now, this date of birth just fell for group 2. Let's keep it that way. For group 1 and group 3. All right. So, for group 1, the date of birth is 1 to 10. For group 2, the date of birth is 11 to 20. And for group 3, the date of birth is 21 to 31. So you can select your pile based on on your date of birth as well. Another third method, which is my absolute favorite, take 3 pieces of paper. In each piece of paper, you write either pile 1 or pile 2 or pile 3. Just say, "Dear Goddess Kuan Yin, what message you have for me?" Pick up any one piece of paper, whatever number comes in that particular chit of paper, that's going to be your pile. All right, so let's get started with today's reading. But before that, not forget to subscribe this channel if you're guided, and to like this video and to leave a comment as well. So, time to get started. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today is Goddess Kuan Yin birthday. I've shared a ritual regarding the same on Instagram, on YouTube as well. I'll put the link in the pinned comment. And if you wish to know what message Goddess Kuan Yin, who is the goddess of forgiveness, mercy, compassion, love, and spiritual growth, has for you, and you selected this pile, no matter what, this pile has a message for you. So, when I'm holding the crystal that you have chosen, I feel that many of you have been facing issues with creation, new beginnings, and something in your personal life. You give, and give in terms of love. However, you always have to bend down, even if it is not your mistake. And many a times you take a step back, you ask for forgiveness, or you let go of stubbornness because you feel, you know what, the relationship is more important than my ego. So Goddess Kuan Yin really appreciates that, this humility that you have, this nature that you have, wherein you are like, you know what, the relationship is more important than the resentment. Okay, though you do hold resentment, you are feeling quite irritated nowadays, because why is it that I am the only one who has to kind of take a seat back? I see issues related to a lady that you are holding on to as well. So now let's see what message Goddess Kuan Yin has for you. I feel a lot of you, are either 7, or your life path number is 8, or date of birth is 8. Of course, the pile itself is from date of birth 1 to 10. But I feel many of you are reading this, or you're seeing this video, have 7 and 8 prominently. Okay. However, you're very ambitious is what I'm getting as I'm shuffling your cards. Let's see. Message number 1. Message number 2. Message number 3. Okay. I feel that you have recently lit a lamp or something, a very powerful lamp. Ace of Pentacles, Hermit, and Three of Pentacles. Wow, you got two pentacle cards, which means currently finances and career are a focus for you. You have been contemplating a lot regarding your career and finances. You have been wondering where my career is going, what's ahead in my finances. At the same time, your career or your life purpose is to show other people the way. You guide a lot, you mentor a lot as well. I feel with the Ace of Pentacles, Goddess Kuan Yin is saying there will be a new growth. You do not have to worry. There will be a new beginning, especially in terms of your career and finances. All right. Ace of Pentacle also talks about blessings of the earth. All right. So some of you have been praying for a home. So she is still telling you the initial steps will be taken. Okay. She is telling you that do not feel that you are alone. Take time out to speak with her. Like 15 minutes of silence when nobody is disturbing you, and you can have a word with her and you will get the guidance. Okay. She's also telling you that you feel quite lonely. And it was not initially like that. You are not an introvert, but you have distanced yourself from people, especially emotionally, because somewhere you feel that everybody out there is there to take advantage of me. I love everyone unconditionally, but the love that I get or whatever I receive is so conditional. So here Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you the precise reason you were sent on earth is to teach people about unconditional love. All right. So don't have that expectation, but Goddess Kuan Yin and the divine beings send you lot of unconditional love. Over here, the Three of Pentacles is telling you that you will get the support that you need to go ahead. All right. When I look at the Ace of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles, I feel that some of you have been disappointed in a new venture of yours. However, Goddess Kuan Yin will send you the right support to make this new venture or new beginning a beautiful reality. All right. Now let's see your other cards. We'll also see her blessings. Let me shift these cards up. Okay. The first card is Angel of Balance. You need to balance giving and receiving. Okay. You give, and give, and you are not receiving. Forget about receiving from others. You receive yourself. Okay. Wherein you are taking time for self-control. Self-control. I don't know why this word came. I wanted to say self-care. So now when the word self-control has come, I feel that you have been trying to become more healthy by following a good lifestyle and getting rid of addiction. So have balance in that. Ensure that you're following it. With the Angels of Balance, I feel that the worry that you have with regards to your finances is going to get resolved. Do not worry. And clearly, group 1, you have done some sort of fire ritual. Either you lit some candle, you have lit some oil lamp, a diya, or some fire ritual you have done, and that is going to bless you. Let's see your next card. You got over here, trust all will be well. So currently, you have faced so many disappointments in your dreams and desires that you're worried that what if things do not go well for me in the future? You're worried about the future. So don't worry, everything is going to be okay. All right. That's what Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you. You got transformation over here. Things are changing at a cellular level, deep healing. So the reason, whatever you were praying for was getting delayed because there was a lot of healing happening. Okay. So what Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you that you were praying for something and you were constantly pushed back. And that was happening so that you are open to the alternate possibilities, because you were like, I want X, Y, Z via path A only. And Goddess Kuan Yin and your divine team was like, listen, forget path A, explore path B, path C, path D. And so that you are open to this transformation, you're facing these delays. Whereas you were thinking that my karmas are bad or maybe I've done something. So The main reason for this struggle was for you to look at alternate possibilities. What you need to surrender to miracles and understand that it's a beautiful possibility that can happen to you. You used to believe in miracles, and trust me, your life has been full of miracles, okay? Though you have faced challenges, but you also experienced lot many miracles. So here Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you, be open to experiencing miracles in your life. Do not doubt if they can happen or not happen. Now, Goddess Kuan Yin works a lot with the dragons as well. So here, the dragon that you have got is the golden crested dragon. Now, this dragon brings in the highest form of love and light into your life. Okay, absorb this Christ light, absorb this higher love, and understand that you are protected. It's written over here, absorb the Christ light, you are protected, expand your heart and remain fifth dimensional, which means understand you are a very higher divine being. And things are going to work out for you. You're taken birth on this earth to guide others, to help others, to serve others. But the lesson that you are supposed to learn is to have a balance in it. Okay? To give, but to give with wisdom and not impulsiveness or foolishness. Okay? Now let's see the blessing that Goddess Kuan Yin will give you. The first blessing coming your way is a blessing on your venture. And my friends, this is not surprising because you got Ace of Pentacles over here. And the light that is falling on Ace of Pentacles is the highest. So, definitely there is a new beginning, okay? And this new beginning is going to bring in a lot of abundance, prosperity, wisdom as well. The next blessing coming your way is a blessing to lift sadness. So the sadness that you have experienced because of the past disappointments, that is going to get lifted and you will be getting lot of new energy, and this new energy will heal you deeply. Okay. Now let's see a message from Goddess Kuan Yin. I just take this one card and this card. Okay. Let's see what is the message. Wow, what a beautiful card, right? Nectar of the Lotus. Your devotion to helping others has the effect of squeezing the heart chakra of the Divine Mother. From her heart drips nectar, sweet, sustaining, life-affirming energy that feeds you and allows you to nourish many souls. When you are full, well, and vital, you are able to nourish others. You are guided to receive your fill now for your own benefit and the benefit of all. So you have, as I said before also, your life purpose is to help others. And you feel that nobody is giving you. However, Goddess Kuan Yin is giving you. She's filling your heart chakra. Be open to receiving. All right. The next card is, you also offer lotus to the goddess, is what I got. Oh, look, shining lotus. Wow. Over here, I saw this and I said lotus and wow. Did I flip the card? Okay, any which way. There are times when it makes sense to be discreet until you find your inner strength so that you feel empowered enough to share your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs without wavering, even in the face of challenge. At other times, we are ready to take a risk and allow the inner lotus blossom of our true self to shine forth for all to behold. So here she is telling you that be discreet, keep information to yourself, okay? Till whatever this new venture is, becomes strong energetically. And once it becomes strong energetically, then you can share it with others. All right. Now, let's see message from your tea leaf cards. Okay, all right. This 3 came in, so I will take them. First, you got love. Wow. So Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you that you are going to receive a lot of love into your life. She loves you a lot. And I also feel there will be miracles in your personal life. You got wheel. Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble and aimlessly. So here you need to take certain calls, okay? You have been delaying certain decisions and you cannot, all right? Accept the decisions and move on. You got over your career. So, as I told you before, also, I see a good development in career and finances. And that's what Goddess Kuan is telling you, that there will be a new venture or new something in your career. The ones who are homemaker or retired person, somebody whose career is very important to you, for them this news would be, or it could be a life purpose as well. All right. Now, clearly what I see is, in terms of new venture in your career, the result of this, you're going to get a lot of love from community, from people as well. Okay. Now let's see a message, a postcard message from Goddess Kuan Yin, what she would like to tell you. A personalized message. Okay, this doesn't want to come. I will take this. Okay. Human beings spend a huge percentage of life asleep, not just in bed, but the kind where you forget you are a spiritual, immortal being, taking on a temporary human form. It is not your fault. Everyone suffers from spiritual amnesia once in a while. As you develop an identity and ego, you begin to see through the eyes of a small smell. Self. Why did I say smell? Okay. I don't believe in mistakes when you're doing consultation or card reading, because that's a divine message trying to come in. So the word smell came in, which means you can sense a lot of things, good and bad. Okay, you're very your clairs are very high. All right, clairaudient, clairsentient, clairvoyant, all of them is quite high. Okay, let's get back. You begin to see through the eyes of a small self and have less connection to your soul self. You may not recognize this is going on, but you sure can feel it. We are here to remind you to look through your soul's eyes and see that magic is everywhere. Infinite potential lies in spirit, who is teaming with you to fulfill the contract you made to contribute to the evolution of the whole world. I did tell you with these cards, right? You are meant to be of service, okay? But don't sacrifice yourself. Don't be a scapegoat. Wake up and remember that all the help you need is orchestrated in the invisible realms. Support, Three of Pentacles. Your mind in alignment with divine intelligence is unstoppable. The world is yours to co-create. You're so loved and we all are behind you. Okay, so this is a beautiful postcard from Goddess Kuan Yin for you. Now let's see what she wants to tell you with regards to message. The book is stuck. And the wire showed up. Okay. So I think the wire represents electric current and connect. So think about a question for which you need guidance. Explore it with playful curiosity. Okay, explore it. Don't be like, oh, I don't know. Don't be so serious about everything in life. Let's see your Wheel of Fortune. Think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got soon and then it went between soon and wait. So it will happen, not as soon as you want it to happen. So if you want it in 1 month, it will not happen in 1 month. There will be a wait, but it will happen in like 1.5 months, 2 months, that way. All right. So Group 1, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel if you're guided, because we almost 60% of you have not subscribed to the channel. So don't miss out on notifications which we keep on giving. And there is a Goddess Kuan Yin ritual which I have shared on my Insta. We have a 30,000 family over there. You can join us over there as well. Take care of yourself. Goddess Kuan Yin may bless you with lots and lots of abundance, peace and prosperity. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Hello Group 2. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today is Goddess Kuan Yin's birthday, and we are going to see what message Goddess Kuan Yin has for you. So if your date of birth is 11 to 20, or you chose this pile because of this beautiful lotus tea light candle, no matter what, this pile has a message for you. So first, when I look at this particular element that you have chosen, you bring a lot of wisdom into people's lives. You guide them, you make them understand where they need to go. But when it comes to your own life, you tend to be confused and indecisive. You tend to wonder, what should I do? Should I go A? Should I go B? So here, the divine wants to also tell you that you are on the right spiritual path. However, do not follow any darkness or do not do anything which is not the right way of doing it. Okay? So let me keep your beautiful tea light candle holder over here. All right. And let's see what message Goddess Kuan Yin has for you. I feel that, you tend to wonder a lot, like, what should I do? Is this right or not? Message 1. Message 2. I feel that you're growing spiritually, like there is a lot of emotional maturity as well. But you tend to be like reactive and not responsive. You react, okay, when you are upset, you just like a bomb going boom, boom, boom kinds. That's what I'm hearing. You got 4 of Wands. You have got Temperance. Wow. And the Wheel of Fortune. This is beautiful, Group 2. Now, if you're confused between Group 1 and Group 2, you should see Group 1 because I just happened to say Group 1. Okay, so when I'm looking at your cards, first and foremost, major life changes are going to happen into your life. You've got 2 major arcana cards. There will be a happy new beginning with home or matters related to home. Some of you may buy, sell, lease a home. You may renovate a home as well, or maybe you'll redecorate your home. But definitely a celebration happening, okay? And this celebration will really be because of the balance that you have maintained, okay? When things were not happening, you did not go out of balance, especially with regards to faith. And Goddess Kuan Yin is appreciating that. She's like, what? The way you have maintained your dignity in the chaos, your integrity, your faith in the chaos is unremarkable, all right? She is telling you because of that, you are going to be rewarded a really happy new beginning. Your fortune is going to change for the better. There was a lot of stuck energy that you were in, and now the stuck energy is going to go, and again the progress and movement is going to happen. Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you balance things out. You tend to overdo it. Do not overdo. When you love someone, you love to the extent wherein, the gods of love will be like, oh my God, this is such a beautiful example. And when you hate someone, that's when the devil also starts shivering. Okay. So have a balance. You cannot go that extreme. All right. Now let's see what other cards you have got. I feel there is similarity till now in your reading and Group 1's reading. Okay, you have angels' blessings with you as well. Now let's see your cards. The first card that you have got is indecision. Whatever this indecision is, especially with regards to your finances and career, you need to get rid of it by taking a concrete decision after calculating the ways and after calculating the pros and cons, and I wanted to say after weighing the pros and cons, and then taking an informed decision. Seek expert help if you need. Okay. The next card that you have got is Be Real. Be authentic, okay? Do not try to copy anyone. Do not try to compare your journey with others. Other people's journey are different. Their soul path, life purpose is different. So be authentic. There is no need for you to show off or feel that, oh my God, XYZ are going so ahead and I am still there. Your path is different, their path is different. The next card that you have got is what lights you up. So ask yourself, what fills me up with excitement? What is my driving force? What makes me feel alive? So what activity makes you feel alive? Okay. You need to surrender stubbornness. You tend to be very inflexible. Okay. So that's why also I got the temperance card. It can't be my way or the highway. All right. You need to stop being so stubborn with regards to how your wish should manifest. Okay. Try and explore adjacent possibilities. The dragon that you have got is Source Dragon. So, this Source Dragon basically connects you to the source, that is the divine. All right. So, be in the moment, don't go ahead of yourself, and try and, whenever you feel drained, just close your eyes and connect to the divine. This is the best way to recharge yourself. All right, wherein you are in silent and you let your inner voice speak. Okay, now let's see the blessings coming your way from Goddess Kuan Yin. Oh my God, even group 1 got the same card, and despite of me shuffling, the same card came up. Okay, you need to see group 1 if you felt like. So, first, the blessing coming your way is a blessing on a new venture in terms of your career, in terms of your finances. And this new venture is going to bring in lot of prosperity and abundance, okay? Some of you, I feel this new beginning would be in your personal life as well. Some of you, not all of you. All right, let's see the next. Blessing, a blessing for solace and hope. Okay, it's just surprising how similar the cards for group 1 and group 2 are. So, you have faced a lot of, stuck and stagnant energy, which was kind of draining you out, which was kind of making you feel, you know what, this is how it is going to be. So all this stuck energy is going to go, and you are going to be filled with hope and with a new aspiration as well. Now let's see what your tea leaf cards are going to tell us. We'll also see Goddess Kuan Yin's message for you. Okay, I'll take those cards since they fell. First, you got handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. So, there will be a stranger whom you are going to meet, and it would lead to certain significant changes. Okay. Recognition, reward for merit. Now, this is something which you have been waiting for. All right. You feel that you were doing your work, but there was no recognition coming your way. There was no reward coming your way. So, that is going to happen. There will be monetary rewards coming your way as well for all the amazing job that you have been doing. Okay. You feel that nobody really notices all the amazing work that you do, though you are proud of it. Now you have learned to be proud of yourself, whether others are proud of you or not. So your Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you that she is proud of you. She is in complete awe. The way you are going ahead, you're unstoppable, despite of people, kind of being bothered or not. Okay. She's also telling you all the people in the past who underestimated you. Okay. I'm going to keep this card over here. Who underestimated you are now like, we wish, we would have kind of worked with this individual. All right. Now let's see what these two Goddess Kuan Yin cards are going to tell us. Okay. Look at this card over here. Spring Mother Magu. Magu, goddess of spring, healing and transformation, brings you blessings now. You are asked to remember that light can come from even the darkest beginning. That spring only ever comes after winter. The challenge can be to trust that winter will end. Exploring the unknown parts of yourself will result in self-discovery and a healing rebirth for you. So obviously you were going through this tunnel and there was no light coming. However, Goddess Kuan tells you that this tunnel will end and there will be a light. Trust it. Don't think that you're lost into darkness. Okay. Let me keep this beautiful card here. Let's check your next card. Look over here. Sound the fierce flute. Discernment empowers you to make choices that are aligned with your intentions, like a fierce sounding flute cutting through all vibrations with purity and intent. Your discernment allows you to stay true to your values without getting caught up in distraction. To grow spiritually through love, joy, peace, and abundance. Make high vibrational choices that feel good to you. So next time when you feel like, criticizing A, B, C for all that they have done to you, ignore it. Let it go. Just say, immature soul, and you move on, because you need to make choices that are out of love and not out of resentment. Okay, that's going to be very important for you to clean your energies. I also feel with the flute reference, some of you are connected to Sri Krishna as well. All right, now let's see the postcard message from the goddess for you. A special message. Okay, the pink card with love. Sometimes you just feel like no one understands you. You're not heard, or even that you don't count. This, my dear, is a terrible illusion. And although your feelings tell you that abandonment is real, well, we who love you know better. You're never alone, and even when rejection happens, you are ultimately being protected. So better things can replace what wouldn't have worked in the first place. Everyone on this side of the veil is watching over you and rooting for your ultimate success. Life loves you, we love you, and you are a unique spark of the universe and always connected to the light and to the source. You're always in our care. Trust and keep faith. Love you always. See over here, you had the dragon. Okay, source dragon, and over here it's mentioned you are always connected to the light and to source. So you are God's special force. Okay, and unfortunately you feel that nobody loves you, nobody cares for you. The universe cares for you. All right, now let's see your book of answers. So think about a question for which you need guidance from Goddess Kuan Yin. Okay, and let me keep an open mind. Okay, very, very important. Do not be like this should happen this way or that way. All right. Let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, my lovely group 2, and let me spin the wheel for you. Oh, it's closer to yes, but towards maybe. So whatever you asked for, it's a 50-50 energy. Why is a 50-50 energy? Because you need to surrender stubbornness. Okay, you need to focus on the alternate paths, my friend. All right, my lovely group. I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel if you are guided. And Goddess Kuan Yin's birthday ritual, I have already posted on my Insta channel as well. We'll put the link over here. Even on YouTube, we had shared. I hope you have not missed it. In case if you have missed it, do not worry. You can again do it. All right. Thank you so much, my lovely angels. And remember, Goddess Kuan Yin loves you. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, Group 3. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see what message Goddess Kuan Yin has for you. So, if you've chosen this particular pile because of your date of birth or because of this pink candle, no matter what, this pile has a message for you. You are the light of love. Okay, which you need to first ignite in your own life. You need to love yourself. You need to nurture yourself. See, people think self-love is self-care. It is, but it's also self acceptance, which I am kind of not seeing. Lot of, not so good energy around how you feel about your body. Love your body. It's what's keeping you going. All right. So love each and every part of your body. When I'm holding this pink candle, I also feel that you need to heal your root chakra is first that I'm message I'm getting. Second, why do you need to please people? Why? Already you are doing more than enough. Don't people please. It is coming from your childhood trauma wherein you had to kind of, make people love you. All right. Now, let's see what messages we are getting from Goddess Kuan Yin for you. I feel that you had visited her abode and you had prayed to her. Some of you visited her abode while you were traveling, is what I'm getting. You have a lot of deep faith and deep connect with the goddess energy. Okay, now let's see. I also feel Mother Mary is with you. Okay. Message 1. Message 2. Archangel Gabriel, Mother Mary are with you as well, along with Goddess Kuan Yin. Some of you are trying to have a new addition in your personal life via birth of a child, marriage. Okay. Wow, you got Ace of Pentacles. Oh my God. This is huge. Okay. In all the 3 cards, you have got sword. So, you need to be practical. Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you, be practical, clearly communicate. All right. That's the first thing you need to do. Stop procrastination and finish all your pending work is the first message. Second, Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you with the Ace of Swords, there will be a new beginning. And this new beginning will, it's with a lot of, practicality, paperwork and all of that, which you may feel, oh, I do not want to do this. Oh, I don't feel like doing it. Some of you may also undergo some sort of medical intervention, which is for your own good. Of course, you need to check with your doctors and only then go ahead, take proper opinions as well. So there is going to be a new beginnings into your life, especially with terms of practicality, paperwork, formalities, signing of contracts as well. Here Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you got 2 major arcana cards. So the message is very, very important over here. There is going to be success coming your way because of the past karma. Okay. You have been very mindful of your past karma. You did a mistake. Let me be very honest with you. Everyone does a mistake, but you did some huge mistake for which you repented. And Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you that she has forgiven you. Even you need to forgive, but do not repeat the same mistake again ever. All right. And yes, there will be success. There is going to be celebration happening. I see lot of dealing with authority and government. Okay. Which is going to bring in lot of success and recognition. So with the Ace of Swords, all right. This beginning is going to be life-changing. It would be a little challenging though. With the World card, clearly there's success, celebration. Okay, some of you will do international travel as well. Your reach is going to increase across. And with the Justice card, you are going to really get good fruits of your past karma. Also, dealing with legality, authority, government is also seen in the cards. Be mindful of your karma. However, do not unnecessarily get into a wrong path. Okay. Now let's see your other cards, what they are going to tell us. The first card that you have got is community. Okay. Your friend circle is going to enhance, and somebody from your friend will show you the right path when you're confused. Now, this particular friend of yours is going to help you with regards to some opportunity. So, a job opportunity, a business opportunity coming via friend is what I see over here. The next card you have got is clear your mind. You are so confused, my friend. Okay. Should I go this way? Should I go that way? And that's why this justice card is telling you, and the ace of sword is telling you, clear your mind, declutter your home. Okay. Please declutter your home. The north corner of your home is cluttered. Declutter it. The west corner of your home is cluttered. Declutter it. And clear your mind, because clearing your mind is very important for you to go ahead. If you're going to be in the confused energy, how will you get clarity with what path is lying ahead of you? The next is don't dim to fit in. Okay. Don't dim your shine. You're meant to shine. If people can take it, good for them. If people cannot take it, their problem, not yours. All right. Shine bright. Stop people pleasing. That's why I got the Ace of Swords. Be practical. Or the Justice card. Focus on your karma and don't bother. If you focus on your karma, the people below you and the people who are of power, they all will bend towards you. You need to surrender to trust. Trust the divine. The divine is working in your favor. You're not alone. You're not someone who is just suffering. Yes, you're suffering right now, but that's not how it is always going to be. Okay. Trust yourself, trust divine, trust your decisions. Don't be swayed by people's strong opinions about you or what you do, and then don't try to fit in. Do not. Take action, be confident, and the people will fall on your feet. Sunshine, yellow dragon. Again, shine bright, don't dim to fit in. You have you care about animals. Some of you are vegetarians as well. You do a lot of care, contribute towards animal care as well. Serve animals. That's going to really help you. Respect them, understand them, and in whatever way you can help them, do help them. All right. Now let's see the blessing coming your way. From Goddess Kuan Yin. Oh my God, what is this? Group 1 had the same card, Group 2 had the same card, even Group 3 has the exact same card. I feel, Goddess Kuan Yin is really going to bless all my community, YouTube community with a new venture. Isn't that amazing? So this new beginning that is going to come into your, and I'm not surprised because you got Ace of Swords, you got the World card. So definitely there is going to be a new beginning, okay? And this new beginning is going to be going to make you successful. The next blessing coming your way is a blessing for peace of mind, okay? You have been through so much, my friends, because of all the chaos that you were in, okay? All the chaos that you were in. It was quite difficult for you to process it, okay? Still you were processing it. And now it's time for peace. And people who were jealous of you, what they were doing? They were making you feel little. They know very well that you are really very powerful, and they want to make you feel that you are little, you're not great. Okay, don't pay attention to them. That's just not worth it. Now let's see what message the tea leaf cards want to tell you from Goddess Kuan Yin. Okay, one just fell. All right. Interesting. We'll take that. Okay. Okay, let me shuffle more. I don't know why. Okay, here you go. This is beautiful. You got well. Family wishes come true. So there is going to be a personal a wish regarding family, which is addition of family or a child is going to come true. Or whatever this family wishes. It could be a home as well. a financial windfall, whatever this wish is, Goddess Kuan Yin is going to make that come true, and your love life is going to improve. Love from community, that is love via friends. If you're an influencer or a public figure, love from people is what you're going to receive as well. Isn't that amazing? Let's see message from Goddess Kuan Yin for you. All right. I'm hearing Goddess Kuan Yin's mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum. Can you take those two cards? Let's see. Okay. Mother of Mercy. Okay. Dispensations of mercy come from when we are without recourse, ending a cycle of manipulation, unkindness, or unconsciousness. This spiritual assistance is offered to you from a place of loving respect, kindness, and great spiritual power. Blessings to Kuan Yin, Mother of Mercy, who watches over us with attention, love, and care for our spiritual progress. So here, Goddess Kuan Yin is telling you to, it's important that you understand that a cycle that you were undergoing of manipulation, unkindness, wherein you were a victim, that's going to end. And there is assistance being sent to you for love, kindness, and spiritual progress. Let me keep your card over here. The second card that you have got is Veil of Shadows. A lotus blossoms from a deep, rich mud into which she plunges her roots and draws great nourishment. From this mud, made of water and earth, growth happens and great beauty is revealed. Your soul lotus thrives in the depth of emotions and the aliveness of your body, in which she can plant herself and unfold as a lotus of light. So right now, there are a lot of shadow work, shadows around your heart, okay? And Goddess Kuan Yin is helping you to get rid of that shadows by implanting her energy into your heart and bringing that light back. You have been through a lot. It has kind of made you bitter, okay? But this bitterness is not helping you, my friend, at any level. The next card that you have got is I don't know how to pronounce this, okay? I'll just show you. All right. You're growing fast and leaving fear behind. When your vibration changes, so too does your life. It is safe and loving for you to release that which no longer feels right for you. No matter how important it was in your old life, it might not have the same place in your new life. Accept healing change now. So there are doors opening for you, but this door comes with certain doors getting closed. So be open to the idea of those doors getting closed because they no longer serve you, my friend. Now let's see what postcard message Goddess Kuan Yin has for you. I feel that you're tired of life. You're like, I'm so done. Don't give up, my friend. Don't give up. Okay, I'm going to take this card. All right, let's see what message this particular postcard has for you. Dearest you, let us ask you, are you looking for happiness outside your everyday moment-to-moment experience? Thinking you'll find happiness out there someday. So many go chasing a magic. It out there. But it never could be found there. So we want to share a secret. That shouldn't be a secret. You are a pure joy. What made you is pure joy, and every time you wake up and even when you sleep, you have joy waiting to be expressed inside you. Joy and happiness and fullness come from doing joy, being joy, knowing it, cultivating it and lighting it in your heart so you can share it. You must know this so when the time comes, you'll be fully free and your joyful being and actions will turn you into a beacon of starlight. Look within and be joyful, even for tears and loss, for they mean you have lived, really lived. Jump into it all and love every minute. We all love you like crazy over here. Wow. So what is card is telling you? That you focus on joy. In every situation, how can you feel joy or express joy. Okay, what is the positive in every situation? Now, here I'm not talking about toxic positivity. Okay, you acknowledge the negativity, but at the same time, you do not. Oops, did you hear that? Oh, you something just fell. So I feel that something you have received a sudden shock, but that sudden shock is for you to regroup, okay, and transform. Let's see what your book of answers is going to tell us. Realize that too many choices is as difficult as too few. So right now, if you're feeling that, hey, I do not have many choices, understand that making a right choice is important, not how many choices are you presented with. All right. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. I'm seeing the word baby, so maybe means new beginnings, new ventures, which has any which way come in your card. Think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got a yes, my friend. All right, my lovely Group 3. I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel if you are guided. And Goddess Kuan Yin birthday ritual we have shared on our Instagram page as well. The link for the same I'll put on my on the pinned comment. Have a look at it. Take care of yourself. Lots of love to you and blessings from Goddess Kuan Yin. Bye bye.